So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin ang banat ni Ping Lacson kabola. Mga friendly advice na po sa mga teams po nakasali dito sa 2023 FIBA World Cup kabola. At isa pong power ranking ng mga underrated players po ngayon sa PBA. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So start nga po natin with this attack or friendly advice ng Ping Lacson kabola. Friendly advice to the Filipino World Cup participants: team don't take EDSA, you will lose the game by default. Basically, binabanatan niyo po yung traffic po sa EDSA, which is true naman, di ba? Masyado matraffic, di ba? Parang katangahan na lang kung pupunta po sila ng EDSA going to the venue, knowing that the risk na pwede silang malate po is there kabola. Pero sa akin lang, is this really funny? Kasi ang daming funny reaction as you can see, di ba? Sobrang dami pong funny reaction kabola. Pero sa akin naman, what makes it funny? Sarili mong bansa, dati kang senador, binabanatan mo. Why? Bumabalik din sa kanya yung banat niya. Yun yung irony niyan eh. Knowing that matagal na po siyang senador. So anong ginawa niya, di ba? Eh may mga taon naman kabola, nakabilang siya sa majority. So anong ginawa niya? Or anong ginawa nila in fixing traffic? So parang sinasabi niya, or inaamin ba niya that he is a failure as a politician? Diba? I'm not a hater of Ping Lacson, pero natatawa lang ako sa irony no itong post po niya na ito kabola. Now, for this video, I will give you po the first part ng underrated list natin. So basically, mag-combine to. So it's ranking of the underrated players po ng bawat team. So bawat team dito, nirarank po natin yung number 1 underrated players. Number 12 natin will be Alex Chris Rosales. He is underrated in a way that mahirap kasi silang i-appreciate yung mga guard po na hindi naman talaga elite. Pero in reality naman, sobrang din namang hirap makahanap po ng consistent na guardias off the bench na tulad ni Chris Rosales. Veterano, can make plays for others, can score, kabola, can handle the ball securely. Pero of course, hindi siya kasi babanat ng madamihan. Number 11 natin will be Jamie Malonzo. So first, of course, sa paningin ko sa Ginebra siya yung pinaka-underrated pa rin. So I don't think they're appreciating yung level ng potential niya. Sobrang taas po yung level ng potential nito si Jamie Malonzo kabola. Sa paningin po natin, he can easily become the number 1 player in the league po if he does it right, diba? Sa kanya pong preparation, sa kanyang training kabola ito si Jamie Malonzo. Number 10 natin will be Northport Prince Capiral kabola. So ito naman si Prince Capiral, of course, at this point, he is a bench player. Pero parang may mga nagsasabi na kasi, o narinig tayo na parang hindi na siya credible player pa ng PBA or what. Hindi naman eh, he is still a PBA player kabola. Sobrang hirap pa mahanap po ng 6'6", 6'7" po kabola that he's willing to take the shots from beyond the arc and he can actually hit those shots kabola. Sobrang hirap po makahanap ng ganyan. Then number 9 natin will be Terra Firma. Kevin Pereira, who is injured right now. Pero before the injury kabola, is easily one of the best forward in the league in terms of 3-and-D type po na player. And sobrang hirap makahanap ng mga legit 3-and-D forward po kabola. And this 3-and-D forward are actually what makes team versatile. No? Pag mas madami ang ganitong klaseng player, that will make your roster more versatile. Number 8 natin will be Kib Montalvo of TNT. Diba? Easily one of the most hated player in the PBA right now. Malamang ikaw natatawa ngayon yung nabasa mo, underrated pala si Kib Montalvo. Yes, he's underrated. Yes, you can hate a player kabola. Pero kahit pa gaano ka hate mo yung player kabola, hindi naman yan ibababa yung caliber ng player na yun eh. Diba? So kahit pa gaano pa karami pong hate kay Kib Montalvo, the reality is he's actually a starting caliber guard kabola, and he's one of the best two-way guards in the league kabola. Diba? Of course, he is not elite in any way, pero still, he is a starting caliber guard and sobrang hirap po makaharap din. Hindi siya masyadong na-appreciate, but the guy can play. Then number 7 natin will be Cheo Hambang. So, Hambang, who's been the number 1 guy na part po ng mga iba't ibang trade rumor kabola. Pero sa paningin natin, his potential is also very legit, diba? He's 6'7", 6'8" kabola, and he can really take 3-point shot kabola, and he can make those 3-point shot kabola. And sobrang hirap po makahanap ng ganyang klase po ng big man po sa liga. And because of that, number 7 natin siya sa listahan. Kung makabola sa palagay mo, sino yung pinaka-underrated? Comment lang po sa baba.